Hello guys, today our subject is passive income. Today I am going to talk about 3 passive income sectors that will give you recurring income for working once, and of course, when you might not be working on it. Warren Buffett, the best investor in the history of the world, said that if you can't find a way that will bring you income while you sleep, you will have to work until the day you die. So how is it possible to earn while sleeping? It is called passive income. Today I am going to talk to you about 3 such sectors from which you can generate passive income. There are some of them that to earn passive income, you need to invest some money that I am going to talk about in the beginning. And there is one sector. There is no investment needed to earn passive income, but I will talk about this sector at the end of the video. So make sure to stick to the video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon next to it so you don't miss such an important video. The first passive income method is the share market. The share market means that you are investing your money in another business. Suppose you buy Tesla shares. What did you buy? You bought partial ownership of Tesla. Now when you sleep, when you eat, when you take bath, when you do other things, remember that Tesla's office is open. Those who are in Tesla's marketing are doing their job right now. Tesla company's cars are being sold in the market. That means while you are sleeping, Tesla company is earning. Their business is running. Tesla company is making a profit means you earning profit from your shares. If the Tesla company makes a profit in the future, then the result is yours. And if the Tesla company loses, the result is also yours. Whichever company you invest in, first know about it, first know well about the stock market. Your money is lying in the bank's FD or especially in the bank's savings account, which means that the value of your money is decreasing day by day. Now you may wonder how, because of inflation. Remember that wherever you invest your money, your minimum return should be 12 to 24% per annum. And in the share market, your money is warm, which means that the money is circulating even while you are sleeping, or is being used in some way. So a passive income method is because you invest money, and that money grows over time. And the second important passive income is the dividend. Every year you get a lot of money in terms of dividends, or you can say profit for the money you keep. That will be a passive income of yours. As the value of your money increases in the stock market, you will get a dividend along with it. And according to that dividend, you will have a passive income. The second sector is real estate. What does real estate mean? Suppose your investment is in any such thing as land or some other property. Many will say that it requires a lot of money to invest in it. Yes, that's right. This sector is for those who have money in hand and who can invest it to earn passively. But don't worry, those who do haven't much money, you can earn money from the third sector. But still, you should learn this, so watch the video till the end and give a like. See, land is something that will never go down in price. Yes, it may not give returns like the stock market, but you have no risk here. Investing in land or real estate is the best investment for those who don't want to take risks. Again, you can generate passive income from your land. Let's say you buy a hotel near a beach and rent it out, or buy a flat in a good location in your city and rent it out. From these things, you can easily generate passive income monthly. So this real estate property, the price of that property is constantly increasing. And at the same time, you can earn a good income every month by renting it. And remember that today the house rent is $1,000. Tomorrow the house rent will become $12,000. The next year it will increase to $2,000. That is, year after year your valuation and monthly income will increase. But here I am giving a warning that many people take a loan from the bank and buy a property thinking of renting it. But think about it, the bank would have bought the property themselves without giving you a loan. But they don't, so you shouldn't take loans to earn this kind of passive income. If you have a very good amount of money and it is sitting in the bank, then I would suggest you invest in real estate. Because it is a very safe investment, and here the return of your money will be more than the bank. As I have already said, the price of land will increase with time. It never decreases. If you don't believe me, ask your father how much the place you live in 10 years ago, and how much it is now, then you will know whether you should invest or not. And the most interesting thing is that you can also generate passive income from your property. Now, I will talk about the third sector of earning passive income, which will not require any money. It will require your skills. In today's world, even if you have a skill, you can earn passive income. Take this YouTube channel for example. where you are watching this video of mine. This video is also generating a passive income for me. I have investment knowledge as well as animation video making skills, and I use this knowledge and skills to earn a passive income. I made this video once, but it will stay on YouTube for life. Take this video you are watching now, but I am not doing any work for this video now. But when you are watching this video, the ad is running and I am earning passive income. This video may be viewed a year from today, and it will continue to give me passive income. Similarly, if you have any skills, you can make videos or you can write a blog. If you are an expert in something, you can teach it to kids online, or you can make a course on that topic and sell it online. Suppose you are very good at accounting, or you are very good at graphic design, but many people in this world do not know accounting or graphic design, and they want to learn. So you can create a course where you teach them accounting or graphic designing through videos. Again, if you want, you can write a blog and publish it on Google. You have to work hard once to create this course or write a blog, but it will give you passive income for life. So, you can write ebooks to generate passive income, do affiliate marketing, or do other things. If you're a photographer, you can sell photography online. You can open a dropshipping store. You can do a lot of things. If you do a little Google search for passive income sources online, you will find many ideas where you can earn passive income. From these three sectors, choose one to start earning passively. Believe me, if you can build a lot of passive income sources in your life, then your life become a heaven. That's it for today. If you feel that you have gotten some value, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification icon for more upcoming videos.